Hello my art friends. Today I want to show you a tutorial how to draw soap bubbles. I love soap bubbles, I'm a huge fan, and so behind me you can see a little example. I drew this yesterday, and believe it or not, this is just simple black cardboard or cardstock paper with colored pencils. So I hope you give this a try. Have fun. Here are the materials you will need in this art project. Some round objects, you can pick any from the kitchen or in the house somewhere. Make sure they're different sizes. And colored pencils as well. Pick any colors that you like. If you happen to have a stencil circle like these, you can certainly use those to draw your bubbles. Trace your circles with the help of your stencil, whichever you choose to use. It's time to color in your bubble. Start with any color you like. I am starting with my dark blue. Make sure you color all along that line of your bubble. Try not to fill in the bubble with colors, just work along that line all the way around. And you can choose 3 different colors. The point of this is that you make it colorful. So go around your circle and put, let's say, at most 3 different colors in here. If you want, you can blend the colors with a white pencil. White pencils really blend well. You notice that the colors get a bit lighter, but I like it this way. You do not have to do this though. This step is just for fun if you want to. I am smudging the colors a little bit with my finger just to blend it a bit more. The next step is the most important part, highlights. Make sure you put bright highlights into your bubble. So I'm going to try that. I'm going to make it a little bit larger and have it more wobbly kind of looking. There, looks like a pear upside down. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use this color to color it in too. Notice that I'm not using the white colored pencil this time to blend the colors. I'm liking it so far. I'm going to just fill a bunch of bubbles here. I think it's a really fun idea to overlap some bubbles. It makes the art look so much more interesting. Give it a try. I'm going to draw a little person into this art piece. First, I'm going to draw some hills. Very simple. Did you notice how big the head is and how small the body in comparison? It makes the character look really cute and also funny. Try it out. Let's look at the full picture.